Hello.
Hello.
Hello guys. I am Sahil. I am the brand ambassador of KCC College, Drawing College of University, and our college is very big. We have 3 or 4 franchises, and it is Bhubaneswar, Puri, and Badianta. And we have streams like commerce, science, arts, and engineering, and we are supporting any kind of sports like sports and esports. All are available in our college. We teach everything, and computer science are available in our college. We are taking nowadays IIT, and we are trying to take the medical science college in our college. And we are college is very big, and it has a mass big, and it
Mass big.
explain in every city in Odisha. We are trying to number 1 in Odisha soon. We are trying to cover the KET college and BJP college also.
Really?
We are gave us you the buses for the traveling of students. We have gave you 4 to 5 teachers for one subject, one stream, and we are supporting you in exam like a good backup. We are teaching you very highly. We are also trying to add in English in very colleges. And thank you.
No, respect, future.
Which type of placement providing your college?
Is very big. We have dreams like very big. We are trying to open KCC college in whole over India. We are trying to got the university.
Offer kori, pila join kori, verify kori. Yes, something which
Students can join because we are nowadays giving 25% off, and every
full market on
and if a middle person take the student pay any student, we are giving to 10% from the whole
Our college give 50%.
Come on and visit us. Our college is very big. We are trying to made a university in this college. We are trying to be KCC University very in the future. And thank you.